was this place like? What was it like around here, say, 30 years ago?
Actually, you know what? Hardtack was over there. Well, when you first come off. Savannah was down there.
And they were more active.
This one, I don't know what this was before the city got
this was a busy street, right? There were lots of
Yeah,
trucks coming
yeah,
down.
and
You
all
can
down
on the road, and you can see that there's
Yeah,
not a
but
lot
this is the
happening
main.
right now.
This is the main thoroughfare.
Mhm.
Seaview. You have the yacht club there. You got all of the oil, gas down there.
30 years ago, we didn't have Pleasure Beach. That was prior to that. But we did have access.
You could go over and I've been over there. You could drive across the bridge, walk across the bridge.
Yeah.
Now you can't do either one because it mysteriously burned in the middle of the bridge.
Yeah. Well, first of all, over here is the best view of the city of Bridgeport that you can have. And the waterfront is absolutely fantastic over here. If you look here, you can see there's only a small span of the bridge that's out. And it looks to us like in the East End that it would be fairly easy to repair. It's not a question of a complete replacement of the bridge. We are totally restricted from the waterfront with the exception of what we had here in terms of this wonderful park, and now we no longer have it. And it's sad. Because Homeland Security controls the rest of the harbor. And this is a real gem of the city that we should be able to have access to. And for all the citizens of the city, not just the East End residents. And it was very active at one time. We're also looking forward to the East End coming over. The Port Jefferson Ferry coming over here from the downtown dock because it will help with the commercial and strengthen the East End in terms of our demographics in order to attract other businesses. And that's one of the things we're looking forward to.
This is gas they're offloading?
Yeah. Oil, gas. And this is a regular activity. It's probably the only deep water action we get. They also download gas over by the UI plant for use by the UI.
There's some beach.
Lots of pets. Some guys on the boat over there.